Hi there, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Today we're just going to do basically two product reviews. Yesterday I got in the lower rust repair outer skin sections from Mick from Resto Rods on the Queensland Sunshine Coast, and today I got in the mail from Stuart from Metal Man Tools, my butt welding clamps. Now I only got 4 for the time being. I shouldn't need more than 4 at the moment, not until I get down and start doing this section here. Now just to show you guys, that's the piece of panel that I've actually been working on at the moment. I've basically been shaping it up, and I've just about got it where I want it, and that sort of stuff. So basically I'll be picking up a whole side panel. It's not just the skin actually, it's the wheel well, the wheel tub at the top. Apparently it's got the sides here, it's got all the bracing and all that sort of stuff as well. So basically I'm going to be using this section here, and that, and the tail light section here and here. Down here I'll be using, so as if you can see just here, there's a big rust hole there, on that. So I'll be using that section there, this part of the tail light here, because this section here actually doesn't look too bad. It's pretty good, just a little bit of lead in it there. I'll have to undo the lead there as well, so I can get there and check the rest of it out. So I've got a little bit more to go on here before I do the welding side of things on that. So yep, that's what the clamps do. They hold them into place. Simple product, but very well made, nice and strong. Butterfly nut, and that, and basically it just has a rod, and that just goes through. So yeah, very simple, very effective, and that. So yeah, thanks to Stuart at Metal Man Tools for helping us out with them at the moment. Many orders to come, hopefully. Hopefully in the next few weeks or so, placing another order, and that. So fingers crossed. Yeah, let's get on to the panels. Now, this one here is the left-hand side. Now, I have noticed with the left-hand side there is a little bit of imperfection just there, and this corner here bends down a little bit. But I'm not doing a concourse restoration. It's nice thick steel, and that. So it's good. So that's the left hand. And this one is the right hand on that. So yeah. So, alright then everyone, that's it for now. Once again, I'll be down in Brisbane next week for a few days. I'm stripping a couple of sedans that my dad has given to me. So I'm trying to see if I can actually get 2 rear floor pans, as much steel as I can off whichever one I can. So yeah, Yep. Hello. Say hello. Wave. Wave. Say wave. Yep. Yeah, so that's the goer. Now I'll be putting up the details for both Mick and Stuart's websites and contact details, so if you're interested, Mick does HR lower guards, the outer skins. At this present stage in time he doesn't do the inner guard or the A-pillar section. He does do full door skins, front and rear, and I think at the moment he also does HR tailgate skins for, I think, station wagons and utes, but the ute panels, I'm pretty sure they are flat, they're not curved. So yeah, but other than that, jump on to Wayne's Garage Facebook page. I've got the catalogue up there for Stuart's products, and also his details are there as well, but I'll also stick them in the description below the video too, so you can go and have a look. Alright then, thanks for watching. See how things go in the next couple of weeks, and I'll try and get a video of the patch at the back there, because I'm not too sure if I'm going to cut the whole lot out yet or not. So yeah. Alright then, if you haven't liked any of the videos, please like the videos. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and share as much as possible. Cheerio for now.